Hello, my name is Paula Gonzalez. I'm going to show you some example about PPP lesson plan. This is for material design for virtual environment. The first activity we are going to work, the aim is the student understand the difference between will and be and going to. The topic is evolution in our world. The ages is between 18 and 22. This is an intermediate level. We are going to start with the first activity. In the first one, we are going to work in the first part. There is an activity with vocabulary. They are going to see some pictures. With the pictures, they are going to repeat the words, say the words, and add another 10 words that they can use for this topic. Remember, the topic is about the pollution. The idea, they are going to look for the meaning of those words. After that, they can continue with the second step or the second activity. They are going to listen and repeat as a drill some of these words about weather, and then they are going to practice the pronunciation. This is the first idea with this kind of activity. So they have the word, the meaning, and then the pronunciation. Then continue with the other activity. Teachers writes an example about will and going, taking account the consequence to the environment. For this, they are going to read some examples. One of them is, I'm cold, I think I'll go indoors, and the other one is, look at those dark clouds, it's going to rain. Based on this, they are going to write another 5 using will, going to. After that, they are going to continue with the other part of the activity, in which they are going to listen the grammar rule about going and will. It's a video, a YouTube video, in which they can explain everything, and they can compare with the activities or exercises that they did in the activity before of this. For the second step is the presentation part. They are going to read the test about the pollution problems, and after that they are going to predict what will happen or what is going to happen. They use for this will, going to, and they are going to compare with other partners in a virtual environment, of course. When they finish with this part, they are going to the next step, in which the production part. There is a conference. In this conference, he is going to invite another person who is the president of Uruguay. This is a short information in which they offer the conference, the place where they are going to stay, etc. The criteria is accuracy, grammar, coherence, and the many or the quantity of the words that are 100. They have to take account that they have to use will and going to in order to follow the grammar and get the aims. When they finish with this part of the conference, they are going to do the last activity. In this one, they are going to prepare or make up a PowerPoint presentation. In the PowerPoint presentation, they are going to choose a country, and they are going to show some problems, pollution, environment problem, and they are going to give what are the problems and what could be the consequence for this situation. This is the activity that I made for a virtual environment. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much.